Hello creative buddies, welcome back to Flying with Art. Today I am presenting you two of the objects from Marvel Cinematic Universe, that is Loki's Crown and Tesseract, and I put them together to make a mystical lamp. And this project comprises of three parts. First, making Loki's Crown, second, making base for it, which is embellished with symbol from Asgardian language, and third, making Tesseract. So let's begin making it. Starting by making Loki's Crown, for which I have used plastic jar and I cut the required portion out of it. Then I freehand draw the design of the crown. If you're here for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. And then carefully cutting the design with the help of scissors. And this will make the base for the clay work. Loki's crown is called as Horned Helmet, and its horns are an Asgardian symbol for the sorcery he wields. So in order to make base for his horns, I am using thick wire and I am cutting it in the measured size and inserting it inside the jar like so. And tying two ends of the wire with the help of thin wire. In a similar way, I make the second one off camera, and now I'm giving them a base using aluminium foil and wrapping it around the wire. Now to make them stay in one place, I'm using the glue gun and fixing them. Base is ready for clay work. I am using my homemade ceramic clay for this project and rolling thin sheet of clay and sticking it on the base with the help of white glue. I am rolling thin sheet of ceramic clay on the plastic sheet as it make easy to work with this clay. And after sticking thin sheet of clay, I am smoothing it with water. Repeating same method unless and until all the crown is covered with the clay, and keep smoothing it with water. Adding more clay to make helmet-like design on the head. Now I am using a modeling tool to make such design. Also adding some clay at the back of the helmet. Now covering the horn with a thin stripe of clay and sticking it with the help of white glue. Now it is looking so frangible, but once it dries out it becomes more sturdy, and that's the importance of using this clay, as it becomes stone-like hard and is very appropriate for this project. And after covering the entire helmet with clay, I let it dry, and after drying I am using a sandpaper to sand it out and make it more smooth. adding more detail on the crown by adding more portions of clay. Repeating the same design on the other side of the helmet as well. This completes the clay work. Now comes the painting part. First, I am painting the entire helmet with metallic gold. Secondly, giving some details with black color. And after doing 2 coats of varnish, completes the Loki's helmet. And now comes the second portion of the project of making base for the helmet, which I made using plaster of Paris. I am making a mold out of cardboard to pour POP and water mixture. I am putting the mold inside a plastic sheet so that I get wrinkled design effect on the edges. Now pouring plaster of Paris and water mixture inside the mold and let it set for 24 hours. And after 24 hours, it easily comes out and gives a beautiful wrinkled effect at the edges. With a very gentle hands, I am smoothing the edges with the help of sandpaper. Now comes the painting part. I want to give it a green galaxy kind of effect, so painting it with dark green first. Giving some shades of light green. Splattering some white acrylic color, and finally using metallic gold to write the symbols of this Guardian language. And highlighting the edges with metallic gold. Now it's time to attach the helmet to the base. For this, first I am applying white glue and putting some clay on it, and again applying glue on the clay so that helmet sticks properly to it. After removing excess clay and smoothing it, completes this portion. Now comes the last portion. For making Tesseract, I have taken a translucent plastic jar and cutting 2 inches by 2 inches square to make a cube. I cut 5 of them. Now sticking them with the help of glue gun to make a cube. Open from one side so that I can stick surface LED at the bottom, and after putting it on the crown completes the project, and it really turns out to be marvelously magical. Tell me in the comment section below how you like this idea of Loki's Crown Tesseract lamp, and don't forget to share your valuable feedbacks. Subscribe to Flying with Art and hit the notification bell and select all notification for more such creative videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.